I would like to take the views from Mr. Neb Petrone. Like, what are the factors that are hindering the adoption of digitization in the manufacturing industry when there is actually value to create?
Congratulations for the new product launch. I can speak about the European customers because I work with them, but they are facing the high inflation rate. It's hitting them hard. We have energy crisis. Definitely, the locomotive of European economy, Germany, has been completely dependent on Russian gas. Now that does not exist anymore, and they have been hit hard. And as a matter of fact, the rest of Europe. We can talk about the semiconductors and the other stuff because supply chains have been disturbed during COVID, and we still feel the consequences. And what is really stopping the economy in Europe is the reduced consumers' acquisition power. They have lost that acquisition power through inflation, and it's felt. It's felt in the goods that have been exchanged, that have been bought, and so forth. But there are 2 points I would like to highlight today when it comes to the challenges and what needs to be solved and what can be solved with a digital solution, because I've seen it and I believe they can make a difference. So on both levels, on the strategic approach of our customer, but also on the shop floor. So when it comes to the strategical approach, I would like to talk about the challenge that is linked to the reduced profitability. Most of the customers I have been working in 2020 have improved their top line performance. But that was mainly done through the pricing correction, because that is acceptable during this time. But on the other hand, they have been even more severely hit by the increase in the bottom line, because their suppliers have also increased their price. So as a consequence, they have reduced profitability. So decisions like when to purchase raw materials, quantities when you purchase raw materials have become critical. They need to run the production smoothly, so they need raw materials. But at the same time, you don't want to create big stocks. You have to optimize the stocks because you need the cash flow. As we know that the cash flow, a lack of cash flow is killing the companies, not the growth and the other economical indicators. So this is very fundamental, and what companies need to do, I believe they need to do, it's a data-driven strategic and operational planning. And the solutions that can offer, digital solution that can offer the unique and stream of decision-making with different functions in the company get together in one unique forum and make those decisions to optimize the resources costs and place the company in the right level in the market. Those will be the game changers. Those will be the game changers. Here I do not talk about new inventions and about new ways of working, but I'm talking about established companies and the way how they work and the way how they utilize their resources. On the other side, when we talk about shop floor and the way how the operation is organized, one of the great challenges that are faced by European customers is the workforce turnover, or how they call it now, it's great resignation. And it's especially, you can feel it in the Southern Europe and the Eastern Europe, where mainly you have poorer countries. So there is a migration from those areas of Europe to North and Western Europe. And you can feel the lack of knowledge, the loss of a know-how, and that is normally expressed through the drop in performances and also drop in the quality. And the recent one is particularly risky because you can jeopardize the brand name and the brand positioning. So what I've seen through implementation of the continuous improvement project, that those kind of challenges can be covered, and the gap can be covered with a professional and high quality digital solution that are leaning on and supporting the lean manufacturing and total productive maintenance systems. So high quality solutions, like I imagine is one of yours, that can establish the standard communication channels, that is supporting daily management system, that drives improvement action in the shortened issue resolution process, as well as facilitate knowledge sharing, is closing the gap of losing the workforce and losing the know-how. So those are the main challenges, and those are the, I believe, two particular cases of challenge where you can implement a digital solution to help survive this crisis. I would call it, yes.